So we are here to campaign. We will not tell you that we shouldn't campaign, we are campaigning. And what are we campaigning for? Or on what ground are we campaigning? We are giving you road that they didn't give you from 207 to 215. Is it not? We are giving you good educational institution, the school, quality school, from 207 to 215. We are giving you road, we are giving you security. You know the peculiarity of this place. Today you can sleep in your houses, you can go about your businesses. Because of what? Because of giving you the basic amenities that government will provide. We talk about good governance. We talk about governance. What is governance? Provision of services. Is it not? And we are doing that for the good people of Wike. Our own government, as we continue to consolidate on what is already established, will ensure that since you have power, you have the environment for good business, you are close to the seaport, It's not, we will give you good business environment. Those other people that are here will come here and establish small-scale industries. What is development? The basic of development, who are found anywhere in the world, is laying a good foundation. And that foundation has to do with infrastructural development. We are giving it now. And the other things will lie on top of that foundation. So when we say consolidation and continuity, we know what we are doing. We are not people who are being school inside that other community where people are not living because we want to support people that are following us. We are not like that. We embark on projects that have meaning to the life of people.